Welcome traders and future millionaires. Today I have an ICT trading strategy that is about to revolutionize your trading game. It is a guarantee to give you huge profits and the financial freedom that you have always been seeking. Quit your 9-to-5 job and live the life of your dreams. My name is Chris, I am the owner of ChrisFX and I help traders succeed in the financial markets, get funded and live the life of their dreams. Now let's dive into this ICT trading strategy. Grab your notepads and let's get started. This strategy is extremely simple. It is fine if you have a daily job. It is fine if you don't have a daily job. You will be able to make extreme profits. What I want from you, first of all, go on the bottom right of your screen and click where you see this time zone and set it to UTC-4 New York time. The only reason for that is that we all can coordinate and do the exact same thing and apply the same exact key zones on our charts. So now that you have done that, I want from you to go ahead on the Indicators tab, click on it and then search for Sessions on chart. It is this one right here from AUROX. And once you have added that, I will delete it. I have it twice. Go to the settings and what I want from you is to copy those settings exactly as I have them right here. So we want to be using those times that you see right here from 8 p.m. until 3 a.m. New York time, from 3 a.m. until 8 a.m. New York time, and from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. New York time. Then click OK and you should be having something similar to mine. If you want to change the style, you can go ahead and change the colors to your liking. Now, the strategy is extremely simple. I'm gonna be showing you a couple of examples and then I will leave the rest to you. Now, real quick, before we get started, if you want to get funded 100%, you see my reviews right here, go ahead and join either the one-on-one mentoring or the ChrisFX Academy or the trading signals, even though I suggest that you learn to trade on your own, so I would go for either the mentoring or the academy. I have some of the cheapest prices in the market and I have zero dissatisfied customers. All of my customers have been satisfied. I will be leaving the links down in the description. So now let's continue with the video. What I want from you to be on the 5-minute time frame. And the strategy is extremely simple. It is like no other that you have seen on YouTube. First of all, what you will do, you don't need to do the same thing that everyone is teaching, identify the highest and lowest point. I have also taught strategies like that. This is what everyone is teaching. What I want you to do is to identify a break of any high or any low of the previous session. So now, in this occasion right here, we have this session that I have with yellow, which is from 8 p.m. until 3 a.m. New York time. And the best part, guys, is that you can ride the market up and down. And another thing that I want from you is to identify your highs, such as, let's say, those highs as swing highs, not the very small highs that you see here or here, just the apparent ones. This one are highs, this is a low, this is a low, this is a low. Okay, so simple as that. What do we see exactly right here? When this session started, we did grab this high, and what I want is a candlestick to close outside. I want a body of a candlestick to close outside of this area, a 5-minute candlestick, and then I want to see a close back into the range. So let's see how this one played out. You can extend that to the right now, because what happened exactly right here, if I go back in the past, this one does not count, it is a wick. I want at least a candlestick to break and then a return back into the range. Now we haven't closed back into the range, now we have. What you will be doing, you will be taking the trade instantly with a stop loss, very tight stop loss right above the area. Okay, with this strategy you will be placing a very tight stop loss and you can easily target the next area. Now that this has happened, as I told you, you can go both ways. You can monitor the whole thing and say, what happened here? We just broke below this low. And now, which is of course in the lowest point from this session that you see in yellow. And now we just closed right back into the range. Did we break with a 5-minute body below this low? Yes, we did. You see this body right here? Did we close with the body right back into the range? Yes, we did. very tight stop loss like that, and go ahead and target now those highs right here. Let's see how this played out. This came very, very close, but nonetheless it didn't stop us out. And then the whole thing continues. If I take you right here, you will see that even after grabbing this high right here, and after creating this one, you could also enter another trade, guys. This is absolutely ridiculous. This would be a losing trade, but we had two winners until now. Now, I will be waiting for the next session. And again, I will be identifying highs and lows. This is now a low that was broken. At the very same time, we are into this FEG. This is just an extra confirmation. What happened now? We retraced a little bit more, and now we are within this FEG, just as an extra confluence, not that we care. If we close back into the range, we will be taking the trade. Let's see. And now we are right back into the range. You can take the trade as you are, exactly right here. You can wait for a small retracement in this occasion. It is absolutely fine. You are in the trade, absolutely fantastic, and you can target those highs for a 3-to-1 reward to risk. There you go. Another winning trade. This, guys, is fantastic. This strategy is fantastic. You don't need to wait just for the lowest or the highest point. You can keep riding the market up and down non-stop. Again, go ahead right now and subscribe to the Chris FX Academy or the one-on-one mentoring. Of course, the signals are awesome as well, but I will tell you now, if you don't have the time to trade, pay very close attention at all. If you don't have the time at all to trade and be in front of your charts for whatever reason, you can go ahead and join my copy trading program. I will be leaving the link down in the description where I will be taking the trades, and your trades will be automatically taken from you. This is absolutely for free. You don't pay a single dollar. What will happen? We will only be splitting profits, and that's all. Do not let another day pass like that, and come and join right now. Furthermore, subscribe to this channel and like the video, because I will be uploading more unique strategies such as this one, and this is nothing compared to the things that I'm teaching. Again, this is gonna do it for today, traders, and thank you all for watching. Until next time.